Hi friends, welcome to another appointment. So this particular person that I am seeing, we are going to be moulding a bespoke interdigital wedge. So I'm using a putty, a moulding putty, and what I'm doing is I'm basically just measuring it first before applying the activator, because once I apply the activator it will make it hard, which I don't really want to do yet. So I'm just measuring up because I want to separate the second and the third IPJ. So the second IPJ, it slightly overlaps the third, so I'm wanting to separate it, making a nice wedge. So she suffers with interdigital corns, so I'm wanting to do this to sort of help prevent that, occurring. So I'm applying the activator now that I'm happy with the size of the putty that I've sort of taken out of the pot, because I can't put it back in if I take out too much. So I'm just going to mix in that activator. I usually find this the hardest bit, because it's like, how much do I put in? Have I put in too much? Have I not put in enough? So I'm just going to keep, molding it in together. Is that what you call it? I don't know, like kneading it in, like you're kneading bread. So I'm just kneading that in, trying to do it really, really quickly so it doesn't harden. So once I'm happy with that and there's no streaks of any sort, then I put it back between the second and the third IPJ, and then I start molding it, because it will harden very, very quickly. So as you can see, I'm going quite quickly and it's already hardened, as you can see, but it looks pretty good and I'm really, really happy with it. My client was really happy with it as well. So it's a sort of pinky color. The pink is a little bit darker than what I particularly wanted, so maybe I applied a little bit too much activator, but it's still done the job. It still looks okay and it feels very comfortable for my client. When she got up and stood up, she said, oh, that feels so much better. So yeah, pretty happy with the moulding that I've done. It's a very quick and easy way to separate the toes by doing it this way, or you can buy it over the counter, or tell your client to buy it over the counter, or you can sell it in your clinic if you have a clinic, or if you're doing home visits you can sell it as well. But I do like the bespoke making of a toe separator. So what I also do with this, now that I've molded it to how I want it to be and what is comfortable for my client, because she has to put her feet back in her shoes. So I put these into a little bag and I tell my client to put it in the fridge just for a few hours, just to make sure that it's really set. So as you can see, there's there is the mold, looking very nice and imprinted. And yeah, I feel like it's a really good way to, separate the toes. And it's bespoke for my client, so she was really happy. So I hope you found this video interesting and informative. And let me know down below if you use this or if you thought about using it. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.